Certain DBS drive units are equipped with a lifting feature, which is ideal for applications where lifting the rake is necessary to reduce torque load or meet specific process requirements. When the lift is activated, a screw jack or set of hydraulic cylinders lifts the drive unit shaft up a specific distance, typically up to 36 inches. The lift can operate while the rake is rotating or stopped. To operate successfully, the lift device must have enough capacity to overcome the combined forces acting on the shaft. Generally, there are three main forces acting on the shaft. Force 1. The combined weight of the rake mechanism and the mud piled on top of the rake. Force 2. Internal friction force on the lift shaft keys when lifting under a torque load. This friction is proportional to the torque, so it is zero when the rake rotation stops. And Force 3. Internal friction between the lift shaft and hub, caused by the overturning moment from an uneven load on the rake. The lift must overcome the sum of Force 1, Force 2, and Force 3 to successfully lift the rakes. The lift device may be activated when the torque reaches a preset value at which the rake is at risk of getting stuck in the mud. This value is determined by the clarifier manufacturer. Once activated, the lift pulls the rake up a few inches, reducing rake mud engagement and subsequently decreasing the torque load. If the torque drops below a preset value, the lift's lowering sequence may be activated to drive deeper into the mud, enhancing process efficiency. For tips on smoother lift operation and troubleshooting, see Lift Operation Part 2. DBS's team of engineers is available by phone or email to assist you with any questions or concerns. Service is available in English, Spanish, and Chinese. Visit dbsmfg.com for more information.